This is a gem spec puzzle, and the goal of it is to fit all 4 gems into the frame. This puzzle was designed by Frederick Boucher and made by Nothing Yet Designs. Difficulty level of the puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And if you like the gem spec puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The gem spec has 4 parts and a frame, and as you can see, each piece is made of 2 kind of gemstones, and they are connected in a different way. Like these 2 connected together here, these 2 connected in kind of weird way, these 2 connected here, and these 2 are connected here. So they look absolutely different, and the frame has some restrictions as well. There is no way that you can put the gems through these openings. They are too small for that. Even if you try the smallest part, you won't be able to fit them inside, since you have to fit them between 2 layers of acrylic. The frame is made from 3 layers of acrylic, and there is only one opening that you can use to put the parts inside. It is right here, and it is not big enough to fit the piece like that. So you have to tilt it and then move it inside like this. So it will be quite difficult to find the correct solution, since on one hand, it is very difficult to put parts inside, and once you put one piece, then another, then third, it is kind of difficult to understand what to do next, since you can't fit the next piece, and you have to probably start solving the puzzle outside the frame, trying to find the correct shape. But again, since you don't see the frame, it is quite difficult to figure out what shape it will be. So great puzzle. And it will be quite an interesting one to solve. If you like the gem spec and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.